Pay close attention to how I avoid pushing his line back. The first step is to line up the vertical bar, and this will give me the frame for the side of my edge up. This is basically my starting point. So I just start light, not really digging, just trying to stay on the outside of that line to take off the least amount of hair. You can always take hair off, but you can't put it back on. So right here, see right there where I use my thumb? That's how you avoid pushing in the hairline. So I slightly stretch the skin, and I'm only using the corner of that blade. As you can see, I'm etching like a pencil. The only thing is that I don't have an eraser. That's why you see me taking my time. I didn't speed this video up. This is in real time, so this is the actual speed that I cut. And see how that's coming out crispy? Now also you have to have well-adjusted trimmers. And I've made several videos on that, so check out those videos on this channel. And now for the front, I always start in the middle and then work my way either right or left. It doesn't really matter, just pick a side. Now me, I'm gonna start working to his left side. Just taking off the minimal amount of hair. So now I'm going to start working towards this side, and I'm going to start in the corner. You have to kind of see the lineup before you do it. I'm grabbing just the minimal amount of hair, and you can see that it's still giving you a crisp line. That's why I tell people you don't have to go digging into people's hairlines. And see, when I'm in that corner, I'm using the left side of the blade. So once you have one side, you want to go back to the middle and then begin working your way towards the right side. See me staying low? Now this right here, this area to the side, this is where a lot of people start digging. But don't panic, just go straight across. It's going to grip some type of hair. Just focus on getting that corner sharp, and then everything else, it will give the illusion that the hair is dark. As you can see, I need to do something to my head. It was out of focus right here, but you get the gist of the video. And this is the end result.